Hello everyone! Today I am drawing the layers of the Earth for a Class 6 science project. First, I draw a big circle to show the Earth, then I divide it into 4 layers. The first layer is the crust. This is the outer layer where we live. Below it is the mantle, the thickest layer made of hot rock. Next is the outer core. It is very hot and made of liquid iron and nickel. At the center is the inner core, which is the hottest and solid part of the Earth. Now I color each layer with different colors and label them clearly: crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. My layers of the Earth drawing is now complete. Thank you for watching.